The red light on your Spectrum router, typically on the internet or online indicator, means your device can't connect to Spectrum's network. A steady red light indicates a complete loss of connectivity, while a blinking light often suggests a syncing issue. The most common causes include physical issues, network-related problems, user errors, and hardware failures. Physical issues such as loose or damaged coaxial cables, faulty Ethernet ports, or power outages. Network-related problems like service outages, high latency due to congestion, or router overheating. User errors, including incorrect Wi-Fi settings or outdated firmware. Hardware failures in aging modems or routers. Understanding these basics is crucial for effective troubleshooting. To fix the red light, start with basic troubleshooting. First, power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Use the Spectrum app to verify signal strength and run diagnostics. As of 2025, Spectrum's app has AI-driven tools to diagnose issues in real time. If the problem persists, check for firmware updates for your router. If these steps don't work, consider resetting your router to factory settings or contact Spectrum support for assistance. Remember, Spectrum recommends replacing modems every 2 to 3 years to avoid hardware-related issues.